Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about the set data type. So what is set? So set means it's a collection of unique elements of primitive or reference types, and then it will not accept any duplicates, and order of insertion is not maintained. So what is the syntax for set? So it's the same as the list. In the place of list we write the set keyword. That's it. After the data type we will give the set name. So below are some examples for set. Here for employee numbers, integer data type is taken, and for IDs also integer data type have included in this. Okay, so we can use this for S objects also. So when we take S object as a data type, the set name is the plural name for the S object name. Okay, so there are some methods in this set. Let's see one by one. So when we want to add element in the set, we have to use the add keyword, and the brackets we have to give the element. See here in this set, add keyword is used to add all these employee numbers, and then the employee numbers are all produced in the debug log. Okay, let's take this. So we have taken this set. So I have again opened this developer console, and then I'm going to execute this. Let's see the result in the debug log. So like this, the numbers are displayed in the comma separated format inside the brackets. Okay, so this is the output. We have got this, and the next method is add all, set or list. This can be used for set or list. So add all is used to add all the elements from old numbers into new numbers. Okay, so when we want to merge two sets, then this set, for this the method set add all method can be used in this set. So let's take this. Okay, so here we have taken this old number set, and then here have taken another set called new numbers. Okay, so we are going to use the add all method now. So we are adding all the old numbers into new number set. So here 1 2 3 4 5, 6 numbers are displayed. So all are unique elements, no duplicates are there. So because set will not accept any duplicate elements, only one time one number is displayed. Okay, so if you observe here, in the previous set 55 number is again repeated in this new set, but we have got only one time in this debug log. Okay, see here also in this old number set 2 times is repeated 22 number. Okay, so in this way we can add two sets using the add all method without accepting any duplicates. So if you want to remove any element in the set, then we can use this remove method. Okay, so let's take this. So here we want to remove this. If you want to remove this element 77, so directly we can include inside these brackets using the remove keyword. So let's see what will be displayed in this debug log. So here if you observe 77 element is removed. Okay, so these are some of the another methods in the set. Clear, size and is empty. So clear is used when you want to remove all the elements in the set, and size is used to know about number of elements in the set, and is empty is used to determine whether the set is empty or not. Okay, so next one is contains element. So this is the boolean type method. So it returns true if argument is existing in the set. So let's take this example and check how it will be displayed. So this is a boolean type method. So in the bracket after contains you can give element as you want. So if it exists it will show the result as true, otherwise it will show as false. So we got this is true. Okay, so next one is contains all. So this method will check whether, so we'll compare the two sets, or we can compare the list with set also. So it will check whether the previous elements in the previous sets, so all the elements are contained in the new set or not, it will check. So if here we have taken the two sets, old numbers and new numbers, the system will check. So this method is used to check whether the new numbers is contain all the old number set or not. So here we have to include the debug log. So if you don't include the debug log, the system will show the blank page. Okay, we didn't get any result in the debug log. If you include any debug log, we will get the result, will be displayed. Okay. So we got the result now. I have included the debug log. Okay, so this is a boolean type method. So next one is also the same example. Here two sets are taken and it will check whether the new numbers one set contains all the old numbers one set or not. So here it's not the case, so it will display it as a false. Okay, so here I have taken the if condition also. Let's check this. So we got the result. It's not found. Okay, because the new number set doesn't contain all the elements that are contained in the previous set old numbers, so that's why we got the result as not found. So next one is equals. So it's used to compare the two sets. It returns true if both the set elements are equal in value. So whatever may be the order of elements inserted in the set, so if the elements are same, we'll get the result as true. Okay, we got the result as true now. So next case is also the same type, but here the numbers are not same, the elements are not same in the both sets, so that's why we'll get the result as a false. Okay, so next method is remove all. So this can be used for list or set. So if you want to remove the old numbers and only want to display the new numbers, so this method can be used, remove all. It can be used for both sets. See here, if you observe, in the result will display only the 99 and 100 because the old numbers elements are deleted. Let's see this in anonymous window. Okay, so only 99 and 100 can be displayed here. So next one is clone. So it means if you want to make a duplicate copy of the existing set, we can use this method clone. Okay, so next one is scenarios for Sql list and set. So first one is fetch the name, amount, stage name, close date of all opportunities and store into a list. So how to fetch these all fields in the opportunities? We can use SQL. If you don't know how to use this SQL, you can check my previous video in my channel. Okay, so this is stored in a list called OPP list. So here we have written a SQL query here and it is stored into a OPP list. So what is the question for this? First one is get only unique names into a collection. So here ask only unique names. So unique means we have to use the set method. So here we have to get only unique names. That's why we have taken the string data type and it is stored into a OPP name set. And then into a collection. So that's why we have taken the for loop and then all the names are added into the unique names will be added into a collection. So all the OPP names can add it into the OPP.name. Okay, so eventually added to the OPP list. So here we have to include the debug log as well. So here we'll get the OPP names. So, okay. So next one is get only the unique stage names and store into another collection. Let's take this also. And I'm including the debug log here, system.debug. So here you can see all the stage names are displayed here. So next one is get all the opportunity names and store into another collection. So in the same manner this is also done. So here only list is used because it's not asked like unique one. So normally if it is asked, then we'll use the list method. Next one is fetch name, rating, industry of all account records into a list. So here we have written SQL query for all the fields of account, and it is stored into a list called ACCS. First one is get record IDs of all accounts only if rating is hot and store into a collection. So for IDs we will use the set method, and we have taken the data type as ID. Here let's take this example. Okay, so we have to display the IDs here. So here I am including the debug log for account IDs. So here you can see all the IDs are displayed here. So next one is get the unique account names into another collection only if the industry is energy. So here we can use the same method as we use the set method. So next one is fetch the name, phone from the account object and store into a collection. So here we have used the list, and then next one is fetch the last name, phone from the contact object and store into a collection. So this is a simple question. This is stored into a contact list called cons, and we have used the SQL query for contact object. Next one is get the phone numbers of all accounts and contacts into a list of string without duplicates. So without duplicate means it's a unique one. We will use the set method. So here we have used the set of string account phones is equal to new set of string, and then we have added the phone numbers into the phone field of account, and then we have used the another set of conf phones, and then we have added all the contact phones into cons list. Okay, so here we have used the two approaches using add all method. So next one is using the constructor method. So these are some of the examples and instance methods of the set data type. So we'll see more about map in the next video. Okay, thank you.